Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday and have had a great week already. Let's get started with our number corner. All right. So today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Let's see what it is today. We have an S or called a letter. So that's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it a letter. So it's the letter S. So let's add that to our observation chart. So here we are. We have a letter. Computer's being a little slow, but we'll roll with it. A letter. There we go. And let's see if our letter folds in any way. Okay. So here is my S, my letter S. Let's see if it'll fold. Does it fold? Nope, it does not fold. So no, it is not symmetrical. We had 140 days in school yesterday. Let's see how many we have today. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, stop, 141. We have 141 days in school. Excuse me. Let's erase this. Let's put 141 days. Written form, 141 days. How many hundreds are there? There is 100 plus 4 tens plus 1. That's funny. And our expanded form or our equation. Remember, we can use our hundreds, tens, and ones to help us as well as our total days. So there is 100 plus 40, because that's how many tens we have, and 1 because that's how many ones we have, and that equals 141. So far, we have 7 popsicle sticks, and we are in week 3. Let's see how many we can get today. Oh, we got a line. Let's try it again. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add our tallies. Let's do green for today. So I already have 2. 1, 2. Remember, when we get to 5, I have to cross. 3, 4. So how many popsicle sticks do I have? That is going to be our question for today. How many popsicle sticks do I have? And how do you know that that's how many I have? Remember, we're going to have to bundle some of these in 10. So let's bundle them. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to see if I can do all of these at once. Some of them. Well, we'll just leave these ones. It's being silly. And we get our giant bundle of 10. Here we are. And 1 more. So how many do we have? I'm not going to tell you because it's going to be our question for today. All right, it is Wednesday, April 15th. We have a reading lesson today. No writing unless you have not finished your character. Remember, you can always make another character if you want more to do. No math today. If you did not finish the math lesson or the work pages, feel free to do them today also, or Dreambox if you would like. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. research your Beatles and fill out in Google Classroom. Remember, you can use until tomorrow, until tomorrow if needed. And our optional activities from Mr. Tolksdorf, Miss Mortimer, and Mr. King for art, music, and PE. And then our guidance lesson from Mr. Tabalto. I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Stay healthy and see you guys soon. Bye.